Hey there. Let me show you how to quickly delete your Facebook account forever. First, grab your phone and open the Facebook app. Look for the profile icon at the upper right and tap it. See that gear icon at the top right? That's your settings. Tap on that. Now scroll down until you find See More in Account Center. Once you're there, look for Account Settings, then tap on Personal Details. Keep scrolling until you spot Account Ownership and Control. Tap that, then hit Deactivation or Deletion. Choose Facebook, tap Delete Account and click Continue. If you have Facebook page, this page will tell you that I will be also deleted. Tap Continue. From here, select any reasons you have in mind, then tap Continue. Tap Continue once more. Scroll all the way down to find the Continue button. Type in your password when asked and confirm the deletion. Quick heads up, you've got 30 days to change your mind by just logging back in. After that, your account is gone for good.